Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah everyone's doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be doing a Ikea haul. I wanted to do a background story first before I start this. So this is my bedroom, and behind me is my bed, but also at the back there's a massive wall space on top of my bed, which just not really nice. So I thought, let me look at some home decor pages on Instagram. So I went Ikea just to pick up three black frames, but I ended up coming back with a lot more and spending black frames, okay? And I've got three of them. Yeah, so I've got three of them, and they were £4 each. There was one that was bigger than this, but that was going to be way too big for the space that I have. And they had this in like 4 different sizes. So they have one like this, which is double the size of this. Then they've got one that's smaller than this, and then they have a smaller one than that one. So this is like the second biggest one. And they were £4 each. The big one was £6. So that was £4. I definitely remember that because I was looking for the price tag everywhere. Then I always, when I go to Ikea, I always buy candles. So I think these were like £1.50 each, or £2. I can't remember, but I'll double check. It's the one with the gold shiny rims. And this is in, I want to say vanilla flavour. It doesn't even say vanilla, but it smells like vanilla because it smells sweet, and it's supposed to be for 4 hours. So that's that. Something so boring. A brush, a toilet brush. This was, I think, 50p. I wanted one that was a black or a grey brush, and I tend to change my one every 3 months. So yeah, it's 50p, so you can do it more often if you have a local Ikea next to you. Next thing after that are these net curtains for my daughter's room. She's already got these, but I feel like they're quite see-through. So I thought if I get another pack, I can bundle them together so it's not too see-through. Yeah, it's not too see-through. Next thing is these. Also these, whenever I go to Ikea, I always pick up a packet of these as well. You must have seen these on my stories on Snap and Instagram. So they are that. What else? I bought this. Now the picture is like that. I wanted to sort out my cupboards. I wanted to sort out my cupboards. And I needed something to divide everything up. So this is what I found in Ikea. And I actually wasn't even looking for this, but it came in handy. And this one was, I think, between £10 or £15. So that's that. I have to build this myself though. The next items are these gold tea light burners. And I got these 2, and I can't remember how much they were. I think between £5 or £7. Yeah, £5 or £7, I believe. So they're gonna go on that table with the little candle and the little light thing, just because the theme of my room is gold, grey and black. So that will go quite nicely. I'm adding more gold bits to my bedroom. Let me just put that there. And then next thing is, I got these. I really like these. These are coasters. That's like the felt bit. And then that is mirrored coasters. And they're gold, and they go with the living room theme because they're going to go in the living room for the coffee table. So I really like that. I can't remember how much these were, neither. But I want to say again, between £5 and £10. And you get so this was £2.50 or £3.50. I can't remember exactly again. But this feels really solid. It's for my soda crystals, and 2 packets I think will. Next thing is I got some cutlery. These are really heavy cutlery. The ones that I have are plastic. When I mean plastic, so this bit is like silver on top, and then the handle is a black plastic kind of thing. So I wanted something more like, I don't know, heavy duty cutlery. I don't know, it's not even making sense, is it? And I think this was between £10 and £15 as well. And then the next thing is these lids. I got these kind of wooden bamboo type lids with the suction, because I'm trying to reduce on plastic containers, and I've got these to go with these. Okay, so they'll go in there. They did have different lids. They have plastic of this, and they have a glass ones. They have in different sizes, but as my husband didn't go with me, I had to take the bus, and so I couldn't buy more. So I got just 2 of these with the bamboo ones. There's different lids as well, but yeah, I went for that. And I think these were like, oh, this one has a price on it. Yay! £1.75 this was. Okay, brilliant. Okay. I didn't even notice that. And I think these were £1 each. Okay, so that's really not bad. I want to say, okay, that's it. Okay. Fantastic, that is it. Inshallah you liked it. I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what the prices were, but I'll put it in the description below and you guys can have a look. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please like and subscribe and share and spread the word. Assalamu alaikum.